Alright, so we're finishing up 8.4. We're still finding the sums of infinite geometric series. This is video number 3, but this time we're going to use that formula to write the sum, but to use it writing repeating decimals as fractions. So that's what we're going to do. Now, to do that, I'm going to use this from our previous video. Sorry, it's glaring. Okay? Because I'm going to need this equation. And I've got my repeating decimals here for number 6 and 7. Okay, so let's just do number 6 first. What we need to do is figure out what A1 is and R, because that's what we need for this. So I'm just using this equation to help me write these as fractions. So I see this repeat. Here it's 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. So if I write these out, if I ignore those and I just see that first 2, 4, I get 0.24. Okay? Now to get this one, it actually would have zeros in this place because I'm adding it to that. So it'd be 0.0024. This next one would have 4 zeros in front of it. So plus 0.000024. Okay, and this pattern would just keep going like this. Well, so here's A1, 0.24, and I want that common ratio. And when we were finding that common ratio in 8.3, if we take the second term and divide it by the first term, that gives us what we're multiplying by. So I'm going to take 0.0024, and I'm going to divide it by 0.24, and that's going to give me 0.01. So I have R, I have A1, and I'm going to plug it into this equation. So I get 0.24 over 1 minus 0.01. And that simplifies to 0.24 over 0.99. You just kind of take those decimals away, multiply everything times 100. Okay, decimals are gone. 3 goes into both of these, so it'd be 8 over 33. And there would be my fraction. Okay, so let's try it again with number 7. So again, I see the repeat is the 7, 7, 7. So if I write my first term 0.7, second term 0.07, I have to put a 0 where that one was. And then the next term would be 0.00, because that's all represented here. And then it has another 7, and so forth. Okay, keeps going. So my A1 is that first term, 0.7. My common ratio is the second term divided by the first term, which is 0.1. Okay, so I have A1, I have R, let's plug it in. A1 is 0.7 divided by 1 minus 0.1. So 0.7 divided by 0.9, multiply both top and bottom by 10, the decimals go away, and you get 7/9. Alright, that's how you write a repeating decimal as a fraction. So go to your practice and do problems 20, 21, and 22. Submit your assignment on Big Ideas and submit the screenshot into Canvas.